Hey. What's up, man? You gonna smile for me? You gonna smile for me? What you doing? What's up, son? You see that blinking light, don't you? Dig of the smile. Dig of the smile. Welcome back to The Life of a Real King. Finally, after a month, the package finally came. What do we have here? We have the Ray-Ban Meta glasses. We have the Ray-Ban Meta glasses. Just in case you don't believe me, let me give y'all a sneak peek and give you the whole thing. We got them right here. We're gonna do a official unboxing after, a little bit later. But right now, we gotta roll. I gotta roll, but y'all gotta roll with me, of course, on this adventure. I have to drive about an hour away because we stay an hour outside of Little Rock. You may say, well, why'd you have to do that? They're just glasses. Well, you have to take the glasses to here, a LensCrafters. Hold on, y'all. You have to take the glasses to a LensCrafters location because they are the only ones authorized by Ray-Ban to work on the glasses under warranty. Yep, these are prescription glasses that I'm doing. I just got my new glass prescription the other day. I'm going up here for them to fit the lenses and order the lenses for the, for the right prescription and everything. I want the transitions, certain things that I want. And LensCrafters are the only one that's authorized under warranty to be able to do it. So of course, that way my warranty will not be voided. So if that way something happens to them, I take them back under warranty, boom, boom, boom. So, but that's where we're at right now. Let's go ahead and get there with the power of editing. And just like that, we are here. It took about an hour. Made it on time. They close at 6. It is about 5:09, 5:10. Should have plenty of time to do what we need to do. Let's go ahead and check out what they got. And see what the process is. We are doing it under our insurance, which is going to save us some money. Y'all know how it go. You know it's been a while since I've had glasses because these prices just on the lens are crazy.
It's sleep time.
2 hours is a long time.
Yeah, I just left the phone on speaker and I could hear it while 2 hours. I was at home for a customer, and I said, well, the customer's already gone. I want to make her stay here for 2 hours.
Yeah, that's crazy.
So we're gonna do the warranty, and we're going. I put the blue light back on because the blue light, there's no charge for it.
Okay.
So, and then it's $185 before taxes for a polycarbonate single vision standard lens with premium anti-glare. And I say it's standard because it won't have the Ray-Ban logo on there. And you're not gonna have your little bump so you can read. So I don't know why you won't put that on there, but
Cause y'all trying to.
that's your insurance. That's not us.
Look,
We don't get to change insurance coverage. Like whatever they say is what that's what automatically generates. Like we don't even put the prices in.
they need to change them prices because.
Yeah, they let us do what? Change in-store promotion prices, but not insurance prices. They bring them out here so you can have them.
Okay. Yeah, I done already paid for the glasses out of pocket. I ain't.
So why did you do that? Because you got insurance coverage right here, where you can get $200 off your frame. So it would have been $200 off the frame.
Because I was getting reward points. They was running. They had a special they were doing where you get cash back on it. But if I send the stuff over, I'm supposed to get some of that fat that I spent off. Hey man, why y'all didn't tell me, man? Good Lord. I'm in there thinking that I'm about to get, I don't know what I was thinking. I'm in there thinking I'm about to get the transition lenses, scratch resistance, everything. I go in there, total everything up. They talking about some $400 something. That's with the insurance. I'm like, oh no. I said, you need to bring that down. So she said, yeah, this specific lens is the one that costs more, blah, blah, blah. I said, no, we need to change that up. Do you want the Ray-Ban on the lens? Nope, don't need it. You got Ray-Ban on the side? I don't care. People know they Ray-Bans or not. I don't care. I ended up spending $207.01. Ended up spending $207.01 for the lenses. That was after insurance. I got the single vision, even though they said I needed, it was kind of tough. I get like a bifocal, like a little bump on there or whatever, so I can use the glasses for reading. I said, I don't need all that. I take my glasses off most of the time to read anyway. We don't need all that. Maybe I'll get it later, but I wasn't trying to pay that. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie. So we got the single vision polycarbonate blue IQ clear. That's the filter to block out the light from the computers and stuff like that. UV protection, scratch resistant, and then we got the anti-reflective. So when you're driving and everything at night, it's raining and everything. Now I needed that. I ain't gonna lie to you now. I needed that. Cause when I be driving sometime and it be raining, I be like, ooh, that glare be killing me. Why y'all didn't tell me that these eyeglass frames is so expensive? I know I'm about to get the tinted glass and everything. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to keep these for a while. Now my wife is already talking about that she want a pair. So they got the bigger ones, the 53. Those, the ones I got, they're 50. They're a little bit too small. You know, I'm a big dude, my face kind of big. I need them 53s. Now, with the glasses, the frames, and the lenses and everything, and me doing it under my insurance, I will have to come out the pocket $558. Buying it from them. $558. I should just bought it from them in the first place. You may say, well, why didn't you? Because I called myself getting some money back, because my credit card company was running a special that if you bought Ray-Bans from them, you got like, I can't remember, I think it was like $35 and maybe like $80 off. Did I really save money? I don't know. I would have to really sit down and run the numbers, because the prices seem to be the same, but they gave me a discount on the lenses. So, and the reason they gave me a discount is because I got these lenses. So would I have gotten the discount or not? Would the price have been the same if I would have got the bigger ones? It probably would have been comparable. So would I have really saved money? Did I save money buying them on the credit card to get that cash back and to get the reward points for miles? Because they run a special too. You know how you do. Hey, if you don't know, you don't know, but you better find out. I believe I did. But we finna hit this road. We gotta go. We're gonna get home. We're gonna see what these glasses are about, because I still have them. I gotta come back up here in about a week. They said they're gonna send a text message, let me know when they're ready. They're gonna cut them, put them in, and then we're gonna put them on, and we're gonna be able to see with the Ray-Bans. We're gonna have Ray-Bans on prescription Ray-Bans, recording everything. I think it's gonna be really, really cool getting that POV footage, which is really the only reason I wanted them. Because of that, so I can record and not have to hold a camera the whole time. But let's ride. One.
What is that white one?
What are you worried about, man?
I got it. Thank you. Alright, come on away.
That is new.
Oh my goodness. It kills me.
Come here.
He's looking black and nerdy. No, he's looking bald and nerdy. He's looking bald and nerdy.
Your eyes still look
Why you have that light on
I
there?
don't know what you're talking about, man. You're tripping.
He's looking bald